Is it like an exhibition sort of? Yeah. The big ones, yes. The carpet of when
Just get up and get out. Because what I do, I get up, take my little trolley, get the bus, and come down to the market just for a little walk. They don't do what they're supposed to do.
Hello.
That's for you to take.
Think about stick that on there.
What, this
You don't have to. If you don't want to.
This is doesn't. Huh? How can I stick this one?
The glue.
Okay, thank you.
What are you looking for now? Oh, biscuits?
You want biscuits? Plenty of it. There.
You got to do your...
There's not plenty.
Go
Because her
home
son
and-
took them all.
Listen, you got to do your thing like this too.
Because I'm not having lunch today, that's why.
You're not having lunch today?
Okay. We're witness, yeah? He's not having lunch.
Yeah, because I don't have no money to pay.
Can you pay next week?
Huh?
Listen to me, he's already paid already.
Angela.
He's already paid, don't worry yourself.
Angela.
That's what I want to make. Stop listening to my son. Audrey deals with the money. You need to speak to Audrey.
You got the manager. What she said?
Huh? She said pay double. There you go.
I don't know.
She done this one. Do this one first. Yeah. So put the glue